Hello, future coder. Welcome to a world where your imagination can come to life through the power of code. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience, this journey is designed for you. Are you ready for an exciting adventure? Coding is not just about writing lines of code, it's about solving problems, creating solutions, and making an impact. Imagine the thrill of seeing your code come to life, solving real-world problems, and even creating something entirely new. In 2024, learning to code is easier than ever. With countless resources available online, from interactive tutorials to coding boot camps, you have everything you need at your fingertips. The coding community is vast and supportive, ready to help you at every step. This is your year to become a coding pro. Imagine the doors that will open for you, from exciting job opportunities to the ability to create your own projects. The skills you gain will be invaluable in today's tech-driven world. This journey will be fun and rewarding. You'll meet like-minded individuals, collaborate on projects, and celebrate your successes together. Let's get started on this incredible adventure. Are you excited to create websites, apps, or even games? Coding is your superpower. With it, you can build anything you can imagine. From designing stunning websites to developing innovative apps, the possibilities are endless. With code, you can bring your ideas to life. Every line of code you write is a step towards creating something unique and impactful. Your creativity and logic will combine to produce amazing results. This essay will be your guide. We'll explore the basics, dive into advanced topics, and provide you with the tools and knowledge you need to succeed. Let's dive in and start coding. Coding might sound complicated, but it's simply talking to a computer. Imagine telling a robot how to make a sandwich. You give it step-by-step instructions. That's what coding is. You use special languages that computers understand. These languages, like Python, JavaScript, and HTML, are your tools. Don't worry about memorizing everything right away. We'll explore these languages soon. You'll be writing code in no time. Let's meet some important coding languages. These languages are the building blocks of the digital world, enabling us to create everything from simple websites to complex applications. Understanding them is crucial for anyone looking to dive into the world of programming. HTML. Think of it as the skeleton of a website. It gives the website structure and tells the computer what to show. HTML, or hypertext markup language, is the foundation of all web pages. It uses tags to create elements like headings, paragraphs, links, and images. Without HTML, a website would have no structure, making it impossible for browsers to display content correctly. It's the first step in web development and a must-know for any aspiring web developer. CSS. This is the website's fashion stylist. It makes websites look pretty with colors, fonts, and layouts. CSS, or cascading style sheets, allows you to apply styles to your HTML elements. It controls the visual presentation of a website, including layout, colors, fonts, and spacing. With CSS, you can transform a plain HTML page into a visually appealing and user-friendly site. It's like giving your website a makeover, ensuring it looks good on all devices from desktops to smartphones. JavaScript. This language brings websites to life. It adds interactivity, animations, and makes websites dynamic. JavaScript is a powerful scripting language that runs in the browser. It allows you to create interactive elements like forms, buttons, sliders, and more. With JavaScript, you can respond to user actions, validate input, and even create games. It's essential for creating a dynamic user experience and is widely used in modern web development. Python. Python is like a Swiss Army knife. You can use it for almost anything from building websites to analyzing data. Python is known for its simplicity and readability, making it a great choice for beginners. It's used in web development, data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and more. Python's versatility and extensive libraries make it a favorite among developers for a wide range of applications. Whether you're automating tasks, analyzing data, or building web applications, Python has you covered. These are just a few of the many coding languages. As you learn, you'll discover even more advanced tools like React and Django. The world of programming is vast and ever-evolving. New languages and frameworks are constantly being developed, each with its own unique features and use cases. As you gain experience, you'll find the tools that best suit your needs and projects. The key is to keep learning and experimenting. These frameworks help you build complex websites and applications. Exciting, right? Frameworks like React and Django provide pre-built components and tools that simplify the development process. They allow you to focus on building features rather than reinventing the wheel. With these frameworks, you can create robust, scalable, and maintainable applications more efficiently. The possibilities are endless, and the journey of learning and creating is incredibly rewarding. Learning to code is a journey, not a race. It's a process that requires patience, dedication, and a willingness to learn from your mistakes. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone with a bit of experience, this roadmap will guide you through the essential steps to becoming proficient in coding. Here's a month-by-month guide to get you started on your coding journey. Each month focuses on a different aspect of coding, allowing you to build a strong foundation and gradually expand your skills. Month 1, dive into HTML and CSS. These are the building blocks of web development. Start by learning the basics of HTML to structure your web pages and CSS to style them. There are plenty of online resources and tutorials to help you get started. Build a simple website to showcase your skills. This project will give you hands-on experience and a tangible result to show for your efforts. It doesn't have to be perfect. The goal is to apply what you've learned and see how it all comes together. Think of it as your online portfolio. As you progress, you can continue to update and improve this website, adding new features and refining your design. It's a great way to track your progress and demonstrate your skills to potential employers or clients. Month 2, learn JavaScript and add interactivity to your website. JavaScript is a powerful language that allows you to create dynamic and interactive web pages. Start with the basics and gradually move on to more advanced concepts as you become more comfortable. Make it fun and engaging for visitors. Experiment with different features like forms, animations, and interactive elements. Month 3, explore Python. Python is a versatile language that's great for beginners and widely used in various fields from web development to data science. Build a small app or automate a simple task. This will give you a taste of what Python can do and help you understand its syntax and capabilities. There are many beginner-friendly projects you can try, such as creating a to-do list app or a simple calculator. This will show you the power of coding and how it can be used to solve real-world problems. As you work on these projects, you'll gain confidence in your abilities and start to see the possibilities that coding offers. Month 4 and beyond, choose your path. Web development, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, the possibilities are endless. Each of these fields has its own set of challenges and rewards, and the best part is that you can always switch paths or combine different skills to create your unique career trajectory. Remember, everyone learns at their own pace. It's important to stay motivated and not compare yourself to others. Set realistic goals and celebrate your achievements no matter how small they may seem. Don't be afraid to experiment and make mistakes. Mistakes are a natural part of the learning process and can often lead to valuable insights and breakthroughs. Embrace them as opportunities to grow and improve. That's how you learn best. By taking risks, trying new things, and learning from your experiences, you'll become a more skilled and confident coder. So keep pushing forward, stay curious, and enjoy the journey. Every coder needs the right tools. Here are some essentials. Code editor. Think of it as your coding notepad. VS Code is a great free option. Online learning platforms. Websites like FreeCodeCamp and Codecademy offer interactive coding tutorials. They're perfect for beginners. And here's a pro tip: code every day, even if it's just for 15 minutes. Consistency is key. You'll be amazed by how much you learn. Section 6. Code with friends. Join the community. Coding is more fun with friends. Join online communities like Reddit's Learn Programming or Stack Overflow. Ask questions, share your projects, and learn from other coders. Don't be shy. Everyone was a beginner once. The coding community is incredibly supportive. We're all in this together. Section 7. You've got this. Embrace the coding adventure. Learning to code is an adventure. You'll face challenges, solve problems, and create amazing things. Embrace the journey and celebrate your successes. Remember why you started this journey. Was it to build your own website, create a game, automate your work? Keep that goal in mind and stay motivated. Section 8. Keep the code flowing. Next steps and feedback. This is just the beginning. There's a whole universe of coding knowledge out there waiting for you to explore. What are you most excited to learn next? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Tell us about your coding goals, the challenges you're facing, or any questions you might have. We're here to help. Section 9. Ready, set, code. Congratulations on taking your first step into the world of coding. You're on your way to becoming a coding superstar. Now go out there and write some awesome code. We can't wait to see what you create.